We're based in Delhi. In September, we were getting about 100 visitors a day to our site.
AdWords.
Today, we get about 20,000.
Our success has been due to our online marketing strategy. And online marketing means Google AdWords.
Making the customer aware was the big challenge. So what we really needed was a kind of campaign which was highly measurable from day one. I remember, you just logged on to the website, you looked for Google AdWords, you logged on, you set up your campaign. AdWord doesn't even take an hour. Like I could set up an AdWord campaign right now in about 5 minutes. I think we started our campaign with 2,000 rupees a day, which was a ridiculously small amount when you're dealing with a fantastic organization we had at the back end, which was Google. Google really helped us because 1 month into the campaign, when we wanted to expand, we didn't know which keywords to expand on. Now Google of course knew which keywords were getting impressions, and they gave us that data. When we started, we were doing 1,000 keywords. Now we're probably acting on 1 million keywords. On every one of those million words, you can start, stop, tweak anytime. You can customize your campaign every hour, you can customize it every day. Which other mechanism can you do this on?
AdWords.
See, I'll give you this example from Mahabharata. When somebody asks Krishna, when do you appear? And Krishna says, whenever you remember me, I'll appear. Whenever you're thinking of car insurance, you're going to go onto Google, you're going to type in car insurance, and Policybazaar will be there. I'm in a way, acting a bit like Krishna, if you would. It's getting the two people, one who benefits from the sale and one who benefits from the purchase, both together, with no intermediation at all.
AdWords.
Hello. Till today, we have not run a single print campaign, we've not run a single television campaign. We haven't done any of that. And we are the most visited insurance website in the country.
So for us, being on Google AdWords really makes sense.
We are a phenomenal fan of Google AdWords, and we don't have anybody in our marketing except an AdWords team and an online marketing team. So we don't have an offline marketing team. So Policybazaar has grown 30 times since October and about 3,000%. We're the most visited insurance website in the country, recognized by all the insurance players. So we've beaten all the sort of heavyweights, so to say, with probably, maybe a very, very small fraction of their marketing budgets. And they're all looking at us to figure out how we did this. AdWords is the best friend a marketer can have. You can measure your ROIs, you can monitor your campaign, you can optimize your campaign, and you can do it at whatever pace you want to. So you're totally in control. It really is that simple.